Hello, witam z Perth. Welcome from Perth. I'm not showing myself, ale powiem wam tak, straszne anomalia są, nie? No, były temperatury w ostatnich dniach tutaj w Perth, no było gdzieś, no powiem 40, przypuszczam, że nawet więcej niż 40, nie? No i wczoraj już się zaczęło fajnie robić, 24, a teraz mamy pierwszy dzień świąt Bożego Narodzenia i powiem wam, wieje i jest kurde fajnie chłodno. Nie ma, it's not anymore 40 degrees in here. Like, I can't believe that myself. We got like a gift from the God. Normally, sweetheart, like in like a first day of Christmas, like a Christmas day, it could be like so many people around there, but it's not really. You can't see anybody around there. I don't know. Happy people probably spending, their times, with the families and stuff. You know what I mean? So, yeah, that's what it could be. Fajny pies. Teraz poczekamy. They will go sweet on first day.
Yeah.
Are you going to buy something over there? Something is open over there, sweetheart.
I think a few places are open actually.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Gosh. I think some things are open anyway. Stefan? Dobry aparat, co? Aparat. Know what I mean? Oh yeah, beautiful, isn't it?
I see to look up there. Yeah.
Like, I don't know actually, yeah.
I think we are in the wrong side.
Yeah, probably.
So cool.
This is the junction if you like to go. You wanna
Go? And then we will come back.
Yeah, we can come back if you like it. Okay. Okay. Just arrived from the side. Lab grown diamonds. O, zobaczcie, kolekcja, nie? A znaczy bursztyny do sprzedania, nie? Takie korale bursztynowe. O, tutaj pierścionki wysadzane bursztynami. No tak, powiedzmy $200, za 200, za 330. O, tamten to nie wiem, tamten te korale bursztynowe około $3395. $3,395. Very old. I mean, small things, so expensive. Have a look what is this one's closed. Okay. Betonowisko trochę takie, nie? Concrete everywhere. Not too bad, beautiful. Not up there. Up, I reckon. Yeah.
Good day.
You wanna go closer?
Oh, no. It's alright.
Yeah.
And then I will do this one.
Not up there. Over there as well. Have a look. Beautiful, eh? Let me go closer. The top. Have a look. Look at this, look at this. Yeah, I know. Funny, isn't it? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Wanna go over there? I'll bring you too. Why not? Dawaj, over there I'll click some pictures for you. Dlaczego nie? Po prostu to, just show it to yourself. Look at that American fucking black chick. Look at this over there. The copy.
Oh yeah, nice.
That's like a, look at this harmony. Like an adverse of a pyramid. Isn't it? Have a look. They are over there and it's going this way. It's really good. Chodź, have a look. Allendale. Oh, beautiful.
Yes.
This wow. Amazing. Oh, wow. What do you think? Oh, you did this one. Dobry, Stefan.
Это святой.
Dobry balans, co?
Sito, chodź. Look at this.
Oh, they changed from the year before. Remember that. Also like colors. Green, all this, all that, but now it's different, yeah, isn't it? Wow. To te komentarze takie, nie? Bo tak kurde, patrzymy, a tu nagle podświetlenie jest od dołu. From the bottom. Zoom it in there. Nice, look at, is this on off already? Can you hear that? Oh yeah, this one is beautiful. I like this one here. Pochodziliśmy dzisiaj trochę. Szok normalnie. Pochodziliśmy trochę tutaj po centrum Perth. We used to walk a little bit. Yeah. Feeling tired from yesterday. Even yesterday I was tired. I don't know why.